Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and efficiently, but they have distinct features that cater to different preferences. The COWSAR Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, while the Nugget Ice Maker specializes in chewable nugget ice. We'll dive into their specifications, including ice production rates, self-cleaning capabilities, and pricing, to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The COWSAR Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice, which is known for its slower melting rate, making it ideal for drinks that require longer cooling without dilution. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker creates chewable nugget ice, which is favored by many for its texture and ability to enhance the flavor of beverages. This difference in ice shape can significantly affect your drinking experience, depending on your preferences. When it comes to ice production, the Nugget Ice Maker takes the lead with a capacity of 35.5 pounds of ice per day, compared to the COWSAR's 6.5 pounds. This means that if you're hosting a party or need ice for multiple drinks, the Nugget Ice Maker will be able to keep up with your demands more efficiently. However, for smaller gatherings or personal use, the COWSAR Ice Maker still provides a sufficient amount of ice. Price is always an important factor when choosing an appliance. The COWSAR Ice Maker is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and higher production capacity. Depending on your budget and needs, you may find that one option is more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Nugget Ice Makers have their unique advantages. The COWSAR is a great choice for those looking for a compact, affordable option with quick ice-making capabilities, while the Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for those who prioritize chewable ice and higher production rates. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.